Yo guys, today this is Nathaniel Under from the Bus 19 chat, and today I'm gonna be using the crossbone granny without and I'm not doing the glitch. It's on harder. Well, on hard. And I'm also gonna show you one of the locations of where I found the pliers. So first let's just get Granny in here. I think I already tranked her. Come on, Granny. Wait for you, Granny. Come on. Just get Granny in here. Some tips are... Oh, there you are, Granny. I see you. Hi, Granny. Bam. So now, she becomes a ragdoll. Take this again. And she's a ragdoll. Now you can kick her around and stuff. Look here. Oh, what the heck? She's so demented. Frick. Get down there. Ugh. She's probably off the edge. Well, let's get on. So here, I already cut the wire right here. Oh, oh wow. So right here, I found the pliers in there. So cabinet, another location can be right here, in here. And another one can be just like laying straight in here. Now, and how you get it is, you know, here. You also can get that by, I know it's like by shooting it. They can be laying over here. So guys, now that's today's video. And bye guys. See you later.